Hello friends, thanks for tuning in. I'm Big Matt, and today we're going to be looking at a Sony TC-630 reel-to-reel. This is the 4-track unit. Plays and records in the forward mode. This unit runs at 3 speeds, 1 7/8, 3 3/4, and 7.5 inches per second. Overall, the unit's in great condition. Did make a couple of modifications to it. Changed out the old start capacitor with a more modern cap you would see in ceiling fans, things like that. A little more stable, and it took care of a small speed issue that I was having with this machine. Also changed out one of the switches for the tape out switch, and lastly I changed out the 2-prong plug with the 3-prong plug on the side of the unit. This is the 3-prong standard jack that I installed on this unit. Makes it easier to use those 3-prong plugs as opposed to the 2-prong that this unit originally came with. Those things are almost impossible to find. This machine also has built-in speakers. Makes this a very convenient unit, and the sound is surprisingly good on this machine. One last modification I made to this unit. I have this crazy wire that you see coming from the top of the machine is a manual pitch control. Sometimes these Sonys run just a little bit too slow. Most times you can't tell the difference, but if you're using a frequency counter with a calibration tape, you can tell that the speed may be a little off. With that little strap that I installed, if I tug on it a little bit, it'll change the relationship of pulley and capstan, and makes it spin just a little bit faster, or I can slow it down just a little bit. It should be pretty close to being spot on, but we'll monitor the speed of this tape through the frequency counter you see in the back.
1 kilohertz at reference flexibility. Set reproducer gain so the volume indicator is 0 decibels.
Right at 7,800. So when I'm pulling this little pitch control, I can bring it up to wherever it needs to be. It needs to be at 1K. Okay, right there. So that's good. And ultimately, I'm going to wrap this wire around a little switch or something, a knob, and you can increase and decrease the speed of this unit slightly by just changing the position of this little metal wire that I have connected to it now. But overall, the Sony TC-630 is a great machine. I was really impressed with the sound quality of this unit. I'm going to begin recording a song in the next video, and we'll monitor the playback over the built-in speakers. So now I'm recording from my PC, recording at 7.5 inches per second, and monitoring this song over the built-in speakers.
You give me shelter, and you keep running around, you think I know. You blow my mind. You blow my mind. You blow my mind. You blow my mind. Oh, busy time, it is a struggle to keep keeping you everything. You give me life, you give me shelter. Why you keep running on, you think I'm a fool. You blow my mind. 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 You blow my mind.
Again, this is the Sony TC-630 reel-to-reel.